In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert timeline in Excel. By the end, you'll know the quickest way to build a clean, professional-looking timeline using Excel's built-in templates, perfect for projects, events, or milestone tracking. Start by opening Excel and going to the File tab in the upper left corner. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you manage and create workbooks. From there, you'll see the new area. Choose More Templates to open the full template gallery. This ensures you're browsing the complete collection, including templates that are available online. If you don't immediately see the gallery load, make sure you're connected to the internet and signed in so Excel can fetch the latest options. At the top of the template gallery, use the search box and type Timeline. You don't have to worry about capitalization. Excel will find the relevant designs either way. Press Enter, and you'll get a curated set of timeline options. You'll likely see different styles, such as simple milestone timelines or project-oriented layouts. Think about what you need: a compact overview, a date-driven milestone list, or a more visual, color-coded timeline. Click the template that best matches your goal to open its preview. Take a moment to read the short description on the right. It usually explains what the template is designed for and how it organizes dates and events. When you're confident it fits your needs, click Create. Excel will download the template and open a new workbook based on it, so you're working on your own copy, not the original gallery item. You'll typically see sample entries that show how to fill in dates, milestones, and descriptions. Replace the placeholder text with your own information, keeping date formats consistent so the visuals update correctly. If you need more entries, insert a new row near an existing one or duplicate a sample line to preserve formatting. Many templates include colored shapes or bars that reflect your data. These usually update automatically as you edit. If you want a different look, try changing the workbook's theme under the Page Layout tab to refresh colors and fonts in one go. Rename the Sheet tab to something meaningful and use Save As to store your timeline in a dedicated folder, preserving the original template for future projects. That's all there is to it. Open File, explore more templates, search for Timeline, pick the design you like, and click Create. With just a few edits, you'll have a clear, shareable timeline ready to present or print.